Take a fresh look at Chevy.
Rediscover the all-new Malibu.
It's got a sleek exterior and a high-tech interior.
Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. How about stylish, comfort, technology? Take a fresh look at the new Chevy Malibu.
Come on, Bill.
I'm coming. Hi, everybody. I'm Billy Costa.
And I'm Jenny Johnson. Welcome to Dining Playbook, and welcome to the Derby Street Shops right here in Hingham, Massachusetts.
This is an amazing place. Are there more than 60 places here at the Derby Street Shops?
There are. It's a lifestyle center. It's
okay.
equidistant from the Cape and Boston. So,
on the way to the Cape, pick up some stuff, go shopping. On the way home from the Cape, kill some time, go shopping.
When you're miserable in that standstill traffic, which we all know you'll be at some point, this is the perfect pit stop. Grab yourself something to eat, have yourself something to drink, not too much if you're getting back in your car, do yourself some shopping.
Look at you traveler, you.
If, like we're going to do for the day, you're gonna spend your entire day here at the Derby Street Shops, we suggest you start here at White's Bakery.
First of all, it's an incredible cup of coffee, and I'm not saying it because I'm here. When I tell you I came in for a cup of coffee unannounced, and I said, Jim's Organic Coffee. Whoa, is it good stuff.
Jim knows how to make a real good cup of coffee. Get it iced, get it hot, whatever you want. And yeah, so there's some nice breakfast items that you can choose from if you need to fuel before a big day of shopping and gallivanting around the lifestyle center here at Derby Street Shops.
Yeah.
Where am I going to the beach? All right, White's Bakery, family company, been around since 1987. Before this was the beautiful lifestyle center that it is, White's was here.
Yeah, and they've got 3 locations. They have Brockton, they have Mansfield, and they've got this one right here at the Derby Street Shop.
And they make a mean blueberry muffin. If you're not here for breakfast, you can come here for lunch because they have great pre-prepared foods. Everything made here, a delicious scone, cakes galore for your special event coming up.
Yeah, pre-prepared foods.
I already said that.
Oh, okay.
Let's go check out more of the Derby Street
Did I mention the pre-prepared foods?